Let me see if I was Excuse me. Jeez. Aish.
Come on, raw.
Cookie can't make me the goat. Cookie can't come with the throat. Puff, puff, pass. No, you do not want to smoke. Bitches be sleeping on me, but be claiming they won't. Through the pen, they just about some deal. She begging for attention, I don't see her. VIP pop, I wish that you could see us. Million cash plus whenever I go real. I got some niggas in the street, won't beat me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, in today's video I'm going to be trying to install this wig on my head. This wig is from Iron Crown by Cam. So basically my girl in America started a hair company, and she sent me some hair to review and to try out. So this is what I'm doing in today's video. And this top is by Body Boutique UK. I'll put all the socials here, and these eyelashes are called Jadene period from Jadene House, and I'll put all the socials here and in the link in the description box too. So basically I've cornered my hair and everything, so now what I need to do is just like I've got to be and yeah, got to be blow dry it, style it, straighten it, and you guys are going to see all of that. So it's going to be a really quick video. I'm not trying to make it long, but yeah, I'm just going to be installing my hair on this camera, period, point blank, period. So guys, I've got the got to be, and I'm basically going to put that on my circumference. Yeah, I'm going to put that at my hair, and then am I going to blow dry it? Yeah, I need to like blow dry it. You guys won't see anyway, so let me just store it. Oh my god. Oh yeah, the reason why I'm using got to be is because it's easier to take off compared to Ghost Bond. Ghost Bond is long, like you will have this wig on for like 2 weeks, and nobody got time for that, because I changed my hair a lot. Yeah. Yeah, so I've made like a around my hairline. I'm gonna wait for that to dry, and then when it dries, put my wig in the middle, use this brush to like brush it through, then apply got to be. I'm bare talking like I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys as well, so let me fast forward this. Yeah, sorry guys if I'm looking down, it's because my camera, my little sister's there. Put that back. Cool, so what I'm gonna do now is cut it. Like, how did they do it? I can't even remember. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it like this. I'm gonna get the got to be glue, then I'm gonna do this section first. Then I'm gonna get the blow dryer to make it tacky. And then basically like glue it down, stick it down with the, and I'm gonna do this to all the sections. So it's actually stuck on my head now. All I'm gonna do is get my like eyebrow razor and just razor it off. So I'm gonna start with this point at the side. Wish me luck. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some mousse, just a little bit. Oh my god, I put it on my hair. Then okay, I'm gonna let this set for like 5 minutes and then come back. Okay, so now that's dried, I took the headband off. So I'm gonna cut the baby hairs with this razor. To do my baby hair and then use the comb because I can't find my brush, but I'm gonna just put it here. This band gonna go on. I should have removed the clips first. Anyways, this band's going to straighten the rest of the hair. So guys, this is the finished look. Do you know what? Yeah, I never thought of doing blue. When I got this hair, originally the picture she sent me, it was darker. So when it came in a purse, I was just like, this is actually really bright. And I don't know if I'll wear it outside because I'm actually like, I'm kind of scared too because it's so bright. But let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this is the bag it came in. If it will put a picture of anyways her socials and everything. So yes, this is Crown by Cam wigs. This wig is bomb. Look at the quality. Like, the quality is top notch. I'm not even capping or just saying that. The quality is actually amazing. But I think I want to try how side pan looks. It might bang, it might not bang, but I'm gonna try it regardless. So I'm gonna get my mirror. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you guys have any more video ideas that you guys are trying to see, yeah, just tell me and then I'll do a video about it.